So I'm Barsin Akbari. I'm 17 years old and I'm from New Zealand. Before I got started with Andy, I ran through about 15 dropshipping stores. Never was able to really find any success. Like of those 15 stores, the total revenue was like $1,000. So yeah, you could see. My main problem before working with Andy was just having a set blueprint. So I was just all over the place. I never really had a set blueprint, but when I joined Andy, I just knew exactly what to do and when to do, and that led to success. So originally I saw Andy from the New Zealand Herald article about him. I found that so motivating, and then after that I checked out his YouTube channel and I could just tell he knew so much about dropshipping. He was so clear the way he spoke about it, so that's just what I needed, so I decided to go ahead with the mentorship program. The thing I like most is definitely the set blueprints. I felt so comfortable and confident because I like a whole strategy slash plan like laid out in front of me, and I just knew exactly what to do, and that was just from the course, and let alone there's also consulting calls with Andy, so that just topped it off. Any questions or anything I was able to just go ahead and do with ease. Now I'm definitely a lot more confident. I feel like I skipped so many mistakes working with Andy, and now I feel like I have a decent amount of knowledge in dropshipping, but nowhere near Andy obviously, but it's just like good now because I feel a lot more confident. I'm able to pull good results. So first 30 days of joining Andy's mentorship program, I actually scaled my store to $100,000. So the first 30 days that I started Andy's mentorship program, I managed to scale the store to almost $120,000, which is just honestly so amazing. So yeah, that was actually really crazy. So I didn't expect to get those type of numbers too early, but it just straight away happens. If I was to recommend Andy's consulting to my best friend, I'd say it was up to them. If they really want to take dropshipping seriously, they'd have to go ahead and do the program because that'll just make them find success a lot earlier than if they want to figure everything out on themselves. The only fear I had in dropshipping in general before buying this course was that all I wanted to do was succeed, so I was scared of not succeeding. So it wasn't really down to like a yes or no if I should do Andy's mentorship program. I straight away knew that with the results that Andy's pulling off, I saw his testimonials, a lot of his students are pulling off amazing results. So I said to myself that I had to do this program. Basically just seeing Andy's success with dropshipping. I mean, he's on all these articles and all his people he's mentored, a lot of them I've seen have found a lot of great results. So I just knew like, if I was to take this really seriously, which I was, and I joined the mentorship program, I knew that I'd find results, and that's what I ended up doing. If you're really wanting to take dropshipping seriously, joining Andy's program is just a major benefit because you're just going to skip a lot of mistakes that you were going to do if you didn't join the program. Because when you join the program, you've got a set blueprint, and you know exactly what to do, when to do, when it comes to testing, scaling, business scaling, everything. It's in the program, so 100% you have to do it.